Your home looks like a tornado hit it, doesn't it? And someone's coming over in 20 minutes. Don't panic. I'm about to tell you 10 ways to fake a clean house so convincing that even your mother in law will think you have your life together. Spoiler alert, you don't, but she doesn't need to know that. Let's start with the most obvious thing you're ignoring right now, your kitchen counters. I know, you use them. You need that pile of mail, that coffee maker you use once a week, that random collection of takeout sauces living their best life by your stove. But here's the brutal truth. Visual clutter makes your entire home look dirty, even when it's not. Your counters could be scrubbed with a toothbrush, but if they're covered in stuff, your kitchen looks like a disaster zone. So here's what you do. Clear everything off your counters except for maybe three things. Your coffee maker if you actually use it daily, a nice soap dispenser, maybe a plant if you're feeling fancy and haven't killed it yet. Everything else, find it at home. Get a drawer organizer, get a cabinet shelf, I don't care. Just get it off the counter. You will be shocked at how much cleaner your kitchen instantly looks when you can actually see the counter. It's like magic, except the magic is just you finally putting things away like a functional adult. Number two, and this one's going to hurt your feelings. Make your bed. I can already hear you complaining, but I'm just going to sleep in it again tonight. Yeah, and you're going to eat dinner again tonight, but you still wash your dishes. Probably. Hopefully. A made bed makes your entire bedroom look pulled together, even if there's a pile of laundry in the corner that's achieved sentience. It takes 2 minutes. Pull up your comforter, fluff your pillows, boom, you're a responsible human being. Congratulations. And no, you don't need hospital corners and decorative pillows arranged like a home staging photo. Just make it look intentional instead of like you fought your blankets and lost. Your bed is the biggest thing in your bedroom. When it looks messy, everything looks messy. When it looks made, suddenly you're the kind of person who has their life together. You're not, but your bed isn't going to tell anyone. Number three, deal with your shoes. Right now, I guarantee there's a pile of shoes by your front door that looks like a shoe store exploded. Every single person who walks into your house sees this first, and it sets the tone for everything else. Messy entrance equals messy house in their mind, even if the rest of your place is spotless. Get a shoe rack, get a basket, get a cute bin, whatever works for your space. But every shoe needs to go in it, not next to it, not near it, in it. And here's the secret. Limit how many pairs live by the door. You don't need 14 pairs of shoes in your entryway. Pick your top 5 that you actually wear, and the rest go in your closet where they belong. I know this is revolutionary, but closets are actually for storing clothes and shoes. Wild concept. Number 4, fluff your couch pillows and fold your throw blankets. I'm not saying you need to style them like a furniture showroom. I'm saying that when your couch looks like someone just survived a nap battle, your living room looks messy. It takes 30 seconds. Fluff the pillows, fold the blanket or drape it nicely over the arm. Done. Your living room just went from college student apartment to actual adult lives here. And while you're at it, check your couch for debris, crumbs, random receipts, the hair tie you've been looking for, whatever ecosystem is developing between your cushions. A quick once over with your hand to clear the obvious stuff makes a huge difference. You don't need to deep clean it, just make it so someone can sit down without excavating an archaeological dig site. Number 5, hide your cords. This one's sneaky, but cord clutter makes everything look messy and cheap. All those chargers, the tangled cables behind your TV, the extension cord snake pit by your desk, it all adds to visual chaos. You don't need to rewire your entire house. Just bundle them together with a Velcro tie or even a twist tie. Tuck them behind furniture. Use a charging station instead of having cables sprawled across every surface like electronic spaghetti. The goal is to not see them in obvious sight lines. When someone walks into your living room, they shouldn't be looking at a cable management nightmare. They should be looking at your space. Cable clutter is like having an I don't pay attention to detail sign hanging on your wall. Fix it. Number 6, and this is where you're really going to hate me, clean your mirrors and windows. I know you haven't looked at them in weeks. I know you walk past that bathroom mirror every day and your brain just filters out the toothpaste splatter and water spots. But everyone else who comes into your home, they see it and it makes everything look dingy. You don't need special cleaner. You don't need anything fancy. Use what you have, but get those mirrors and windows clean, especially the ones people look at directly. Your bathroom mirror, your front windows, any glass surfaces at eye level. When they're clean and streak-free, it makes your entire home feel fresher and more expensive. When they're grimy, it makes everything feel neglected, which, let's be honest, it probably is. Number 7, take out all your trash and recycling. Not just the kitchen trash, all of it. The bathroom trash that's overflowing with cotton rounds and tissues. The bedroom trash with random wrappers. That plastic bag you're using as a trash bag in your office. All of it needs to go. Nothing says, I've given up on life, quite like overflowing trash cans throughout your house. And while you're at it, do a quick sweep for trash that's not in trash cans. That empty water bottle on your nightstand. Those Amazon boxes you've been meaning to break down for 3 weeks. The takeout containers on your coffee table. All trash. Get rid of it. Your home will instantly feel lighter and cleaner, and you'll feel slightly less of a garbage person, emotionally and literally. Number 8, straighten your towels. This sounds ridiculous, but hear me out. Messy towels in your bathroom make the whole room look chaotic. Fold your hand towels nicely. Hang your bath towels evenly on the rack instead of in a crumpled heap. If you have towels on the floor, which you shouldn't but probably do, pick them up and put them in the hamper where they belong. Neat towels make your bathroom look like a spa instead of a locker room. It's such a small thing, but it has a huge visual impact. Plus, it takes maybe 1 minute to fix, and suddenly your bathroom looks like you care about your life, even if you're just faking it until you make it. Number 9, do a surface sweep. Not actual sweeping, though you should probably do that too. I'm talking about a quick pass through each room to clear surfaces. Coffee tables, nightstands, dresser tops, dining tables, they all collect stuff. Magazines, cups, random objects that have no home, your keys, your phone charger, that thing you ordered online and never put away. Clear it all off. Everything on a surface should be there intentionally, not because you set it down 3 days ago and forgot about it. A clear surface makes a room look clean, even if you haven't dusted in months, which you haven't. Don't lie. When surfaces are cluttered, even a clean room looks messy. When they're clear, even a slightly messy room looks intentional. Number 10, light a candle or use a room spray. Smell is sneaky. Your home might look clean, but if it smells like last night's dinner or that gym bag you keep forgetting about, people will still think it's dirty. Your brain associates clean with a fresh scent, so fake it. Light a candle, spray some room freshener, open a window for fresh air, whatever you need to do. Just don't use so much that it smells like you're trying to cover something up, because then people will wonder what you're hiding. A subtle, fresh scent makes people unconsciously feel like your home is cleaner than it actually is. It's psychological warfare, but in a good way. You're manipulating their senses into thinking you're a responsible adult who cleans regularly. You're welcome. Here's the thing, none of these tips actually deep clean your home. You still need to do that eventually. But when someone's coming over and you have no time, or you just want your space to feel better without spending 3 hours scrubbing, these 10 things will transform how your home looks and feels. It's all about visual cleanliness. It's about removing the clutter and chaos that makes your brain think everything's a mess. Most of these take under 5 minutes each. You could do all 10 in under an hour and completely change how your home looks. You won't, but you could. If you actually found this helpful and you're going to go make your bed for the first time this week, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this regularly for people who want a cleaner home, but also want to be realistic about the fact that we're all just barely holding it together. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 10 you're definitely not doing because you're stubborn. I want to know.